In today's video, we're just doing a very quick unboxing and we're taking a look at the BLE 1.8 meter HDMI 2.1 cable. This one comes with 10 years worth of warranty and it's pretty nice. A little bit on the expensive side at my local store, but you can get sort of cheaper prices if you shop around, and there is a higher sort of version to this cable as well if you want that extra bit of quality. Basically, Sony did an update to my television allowing for VRR and G-Sync, and I've got this computer television set up, and unfortunately my old HDMI 2.0 cable couldn't cut it anymore. I was getting flickering, I was getting a lot of just terrible issues where I couldn't use my computer and my television. It would just freeze up and it would be a disaster. Moral of the story, you need to move up from a $15 cable to in my area would be a $50 cable, so it's quite the jump, but worth it because everything works now, which is really good to see. Anyway, we're going to open the box and we're going to take a look at the cable and kind of what we get inside. BLE has done some very simple packaging, sadly not cardboard, but you know, it's minimalistic, which is really nice. We get this sort of flexi braided cable and just sort of high quality top, which is good. I think the tips are golden as well, so very solid. They've done a really good job building this one and assembling this one. For those of you curious, the HDMI 2.1 throughput is 48 gigabits per second instead of the regular HDMI 2.0, which is about 18. So in any case, if you have that requirement, this cable should do the trick. There are other options, but this was the most immediately available one for me, and I wanted things resolved. Either way, I'm very happy, and I think this is a pretty decent cable, you know, on the good side, definitely, and it does the job very well. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.